Hi guys, today I'm going to explain how to download Sentinel-2 satellite images by using Copernicus platform. Actually, why we want to download Sentinel-2 image? What is the benefit of that images when compared with Landsats? In my fifth tutorial, I have explained how to download Landsat, both Landsat and Sentinel images, how to download by using USGS, and also I have many more other lessons. Also, you can comment, you can see it. What I want to tell is I have explained about how to download both Landsat and Sentinel also. Without downloading Landsat, why we want to download Sentinel? That's the problem. That's need of that platform. Reason is actually resolution. In the Landsat, we can see resolution is it also in the Landsat 8 it has 30, but in if we go to the Sentinel 2, it resolution is very high when compared with Landsat. Therefore, that's main thing. Second thing is the freely we can download freely this data from that platform. Therefore, let's see how to download Sentinel images from that platform. Very first, what you want to do is you want to have your account in the platform. Already I have uh, created my account. If you don't have any account, you want to click sign up and you want to first create your account. In that case, I have no account, therefore I will give my uh, username, then okay, like that you can log into your account. Then what you want to do is first you want to select your study area where you want to download. I will select that area, therefore right click and drag. Then you can select your study area. Then you want to click on that menu icon. That's a place where you can include your time, which time period you are going to download. I want 2018 January 1st to 2019 January 1st. Okay, time is okay. Now I can give, there are two satellites in the Sentinel 1. Now I am going to use Sentinel 2. Here also there are two satellites, Sentinel 2A and Sentinel 2B. I can use both, but that time I am going to use Sentinel 2A. I'll go multispectral. Yeah, we can put in, it's kind of, that's kind of a filter. I can give exact amount to filter cloud cover. If any uh, image has uh, more than 5 cloud cover, more than 5% cloud cover, I don't want that image. That's the rule of that option. I will give that rule like that, 0 to 5. Okay, now everything is okay. Then I can give search. Okay, got it. These are the results. If I click on that image, it will select here what is that image. It's actually there, that one. If I want to see that image, I want to click on that eye. It's take time. If I want to download, just click on that download button, then it will download. Like that, you want to give save your file, then you can download it very easily. Okay, that's previous one. That's the image which I click. Okay, that is the preview of that image. You can see uh, it has only few areas cloud. Actually, it's very high resolution image. We can't download that much high resolution images in freely. We can't download. That's why that's info that much important, that data. Okay, I think you learned something about my video. You got some knowledge. You found new method, new platform to download your data. I think you got some knowledge. Therefore, if you think you extract some knowledge from my video and also other videos, you can subscribe my channel and also hit on the bell icon. Click on the like and share. You can share with your friends, then uh, they also can learn from my videos. If you have any problems, clarifications, you can easily put a comment in my comment section. I will give, if you have any problems, I will give some solutions for that. And also, if you want new videos, you can ask from me through my comment section. Okay, thank you.